KC Crime Fighter Sexiness. I'm flying in night mode. Got on my smart shoes. Shoes strobing like a motherfucker. Let's take this shit up in the air, baby. Take it up in the air. I don't know if this bitch is gonna fly. Campus call over here, shit. Fuck. Fuck, man. I gotta do a camp. Alright, let's see here. Alright, I had to calibrate this compass. Okay, we're gonna take off now.
Take off.
Damn, how come this bitch ain't taking off?
Take off. Home point updated.
Okay, it took off. Shit, scared the fuck out of me. KC Crime Fighter Sexiness, man. I'm filming, man. I don't know why this mug wasn't taking off. Let's take this shit up in the air, man. I can't see worth a fuck. I'm filming in night mode, man. I should have kept it in regular mode. But that sign right there is where KC, on the other side, that's what comes up. I'm not flying out because I can't really see. Let's take this shit up in the air, take it up in the air, take it up in the motherfucking air. But yeah, that's the city, man. You belong to the city. All right, so yeah, I got it. Oh, look at that. That looks good, man. Look at that. This is night mode, man. I can't really see. It's a satellite over here, so I'm scared to fly with it. But that's the city in night mode. But this sign over here, right there, that's showing a gun sign on the other side is the digital sign where you can see KC. I did some glasses video and you'll be able to see it. Let's bring this shit down, man. Because I don't really, I don't like what I got going here. And here come a car. So I'm over here at this Tyson factory and shit. But I'm gonna switch this shit where I can take some pictures right quick. KC Crime Fighter Sexiness. Let's see. Yeah, here I am. So I'm about to put this shit right back in the other mode where I can take some pictures and shit and take it from there. Turn your lights on right quick. So this is a little bumpy video. I had my wife turn on her lights so you can see me. But KC Crime Fighter Sexiness, if you know who killed KC, give me a tip. I'm styling and profiling. I got on my smart Nikes and whatnot. And I'm about to tell my wife to turn off this car in a minute. But let me try to get this bitch in regular mode. Put it back in photo mode. Let's see, is it in photo mode? All right, let's see if I can get a shot. Okay, let's get a shot of that. Turn the lights off. Turn your lights off. All right, so KC Crime Fighter Sexiness, I'm about to come back real quick. And so this is the things I do for the people, man. That's the sign. Let's see. Where are we at? Okay, I got my gimbal pointed down. Okay, here I am. Bad camera work, man. KC Crime Fighter Sexiness. You can see the light strobing. I'm gonna try to get some pics real quick. This is not in night mode now. And I'm gonna play this video back and see what it looks like. Let me get a little shot. Give me tips, man, on any homicide. Give me tips on KC's homicide or any homicide you might know of. Somebody sent me some information and said there was something going on in 27th and Prospect. Wow. So this is where I'm at, man. This is where the area where you can see KC's billboard. I just can't get to the other side of it because there's no way to get it. Get a pic. But that's the sign. Take a couple of night shots. Just to show y'all where I'm at, and then I'm about to get the fuck out of here. This is the area. Alright, KC Crime Fighter Sexiness. I'm on the set. I'm gonna try to get a little shot of myself. I'm over here at the Tyson factory. Let's see. There I am. KC Crime Fighter Sexiness. I'm out. I'm about to turn this bitch off. Just trying to get another shot. Let me back up a little bit. Get my shoes strobing. Alright, I'm out, y'all. KC Crime Fighter Sexiness. I said sexiness. Signing off. I'm out.